Hi, today in front of you we are Y22s and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Discover Google Feed on this device. So just to do that, let's just pinch or just to hold for a while with the finger on the home screen, and then on the left down corner here you'll see the home screen settings. Just click here and you'll see down the Google Discover switcher. Just tap on the switcher to turn it off, and now we can see that the Google Discover successfully disabled. If you want to turn it on once again by the same way, go to the home settings, click to Google Discover switcher, and now we can see that Google Feed successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.